Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about 4 important English phrases: take off, take up, take on, and take over.
Hello, everyone. I'm very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Emma, I am very excited about today's topic. Many English learners tell me that phrasal verbs are very difficult to learn. Is that true?
Yes, Daniel, that is very true. Phrasal verbs can be tricky because one small word changes the whole meaning of the main verb.
Exactly. The word take is very common, but when we add words like off, up, on, or over, the meaning changes completely.
Yes, but don't worry, everyone. Today we will break them down step by step with easy examples so you can use them in your daily life.
That sounds great. Let's start with our first phrase, take off. Emma, can you explain the first meaning of take off?
Sure, the most common everyday meaning of take off is to remove clothing, shoes, or accessories. For example, when you enter your home, you take off your shoes.
Ah, I see. So, if I come inside after a hot day, I can say, it is hot, so I will take off my jacket. Is that correct?
Yes, perfect. That is a very natural sentence.
What about the second meaning of take off? I think it is related to travel.
Yes, you are right. We use take off when an airplane leaves the ground and starts flying into the sky. For example, the airplane will take off at 3 o'clock.
Oh, that is very simple. So the opposite of take off for a plane is land, right?
Exactly. You are doing great, Daniel.
Thank you. Now, let's learn a third quick meaning. Sometimes people say a business is taking off. What does that mean?
That means the business is suddenly becoming very successful. For example, her new coffee shop is really taking off.
Wow, that is a cool phrase. Take off has 3 great meanings: remove clothes, airplanes flying up, and becoming successful quickly.
Yes, now let's move to our second phrase, take up.
What does take up mean, Emma?
Take up usually means to start a new hobby, sport, or activity. For example, I want to take up yoga next week.
That sounds interesting. So if I buy a guitar and start practicing every evening, can I say, I am taking up the guitar?
Yes, absolutely. It means you are starting something new in your free time.
What about space or time? Can something take up space?
Yes, that is another common meaning. If a big table is in a small room, you can say, this table takes up a lot of space.
Oh, that makes sense. Or if a meeting is very long, it takes up a lot of my time.
Yes, this meeting takes up my whole morning. That is a very useful sentence.
That is a very helpful explanation. Let's review take up quickly. It means starting a new hobby or using space and time.
Exactly. Now let's talk about our third phrase, take on.
Take on sounds a bit more formal. Is it used at work?
Yes, Daniel, take on is very popular in business and work environments. It means to accept new responsibilities, tasks, or jobs.
Can you give us an example sentence?
Sure. My manager asked me to take on a new project. This means I agreed to do the extra work.
Okay, I understand. But what if I am already very busy and my boss asks me to do more work?
Then you can say, I am sorry, but I cannot take on any more work right now.
That is a polite way to say no. That is a very useful sentence for daily office talk.
Yes, many people use it every day. Also, take on can mean to hire new employees. For example, the company is taking on new workers this month.
Wow, I did not know that. So, take on means accepting new work or hiring new staff.
Exactly. You are learning very fast today.
Now let's discuss our final phrase, take over. What does take over mean?
Take over means to take control or responsibility of something, especially when someone else leaves or stops working.
Oh, like when a driver gets tired and someone else drives the car.
Yes, perfect example. You can say, you are tired, let me take over the driving.
That is very clear. What about at work? How do we use take over in an office?
If a coworker goes on vacation, you might do their job while they are away. So you say, I will take over her duties until she comes back.
That makes total sense. So, take over is taking control or replacing someone to do their work.
Yes, exactly.
Let's do a short grammar check for our listeners. Emma, are these verbs regular or irregular?
The main word take is an irregular verb. In the past tense, take becomes took.
Let's give some past tense examples.
Good idea. For take off, the plane took off on time.
And for take up, last year I took up cooking.
For take on, he took on a new job last month.
And for take over, she took over the company yesterday.
That is a great pronunciation tip, too. Practice saying took off, took up, took on, and took over at home.
Let's recap all 4 phrases one last time for our listeners. Take off. Remove clothes or a plane leaves the ground. Take up. Start a new hobby or use time/space. Take on. Accept new work or responsibilities. Take over. Take control when someone leaves.
What about you, listeners? Which new hobby do you want to take up this year? Please write your answer in the comments below.
We love reading your comments and answers. If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy English lessons.
Yes, your support helps us make more videos for you.
Today was a lot of fun, Emma. Thank you for explaining these phrases so clearly.
I enjoyed our conversation today too, Daniel.
Thank you everyone for listening and practicing English with us today.
Keep practicing every day and see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.